up is probably going to be
this week's ride. I'm going to be heading to a pond. Supposedly they just stocked it full of catfish. I'm waiting for it to cool down a bit before I go fishing. Even though it still looks like gloomy out, it's almost 90-some% humidity. It's pretty horrible. And I don't know, we'll see how hot it is down there. I might want to get some drone footage. I brought it along. Not that anybody cares, but that new El Diablo 2022 lowrider ST. In my opinion, all it is an ST with a paint job. Not worth the markup value. You know that they're going to be selling those things for minimum 40. Not worth it.
I'm disinclined to acquiesce to your request. Means no.
Come on, dude. Breaking my balls here. But yeah, I'm gonna have to hop on the freeway to get to my destination. So other than the freeway footage, I'll just talk a little bit about what I want to do for camping. I was looking at this national park. I don't know if it's considered a national park or not. It's basically a beach on the Gulf of Mexico down in Corpus Christi, and I really want to camp there. I wish I had a four-wheel drive vehicle, to be honest. What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
I think you know where the front office is.
You dick!
My little horn, I've never had to use it before. Saved me right there. Okay, I'll cut ahead when I hop on the freeway and I'll put some music. Bro, did we just get skipped? Bruh.
Where do I get water?
Do you have a sink?
Bruh.
Bro, what?
I'm sorry, I'm not a 5-star chef!
about Texas. The people out here love their church. I believe in God. I actually went to Catholic school, but I'm not too into the whole church thing. I blame Catholic school. It burned me out. It wasn't just once a week at the Catholic school I went to. It was every fucking day. Well, in 7th and 8th grade, that is. Okay, the pond should be here. Well, there's a fish fry, so it's got to be nearby. Alright, I think I'm going to run out of battery, so I'll just end it right here. Thanks for joining me on this week's ride. Like, comment, subscribe.